So we're now moving on to task 5, where we're going to avoid the traps so we don't lose all our points when we go over them. So as per usual, open up your program and launch the AA panel to bring up your old program. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add another statement. So this is going to be avoiding trap left. So we're going to use these yellow warning areas here that surround the blue traps. So every time we detect this yellow colour on either of the colour sensors, we're going to then move away from the traps. So first, let's set the condition. So suggested values for yellow are given on your sheets. So we're going to first put these in for the yellow values. So 235 to 255, 235, and finally 40 to 60. So we've set our condition, and this is the highest statement in our statement tree. So this will be the highest priority statement, so it will come above any of the others, which is what we want it to do. And now we need to set the action. So our robot here is going to come across a yellow area on the left sensor. So to move away from the yellow area, we want to reverse, but we want to reverse with a stronger power on the right wheel, so we slightly turn as well away from this area. So let's set our duration to about 600 milliseconds. So we want both wheels going backwards, but the right stronger. So let's say the left to -2, the right to -4. So that should now work. Now we want to do the same for the right sensor. Okay, so we're going to put exactly the same colour sensor values into the right values, 235. But this time we need to have another think about the action. So this time we're going to be detecting left on the right. So this time again we want to reverse, but we now want the left wheel to be stronger than the right. So let's set this one to -4, the right wheel to -2, and again leave the duration at 600 milliseconds. Now let's save. Okay, build. Okay, we can now close that. If we then go load into our blue robot and let's run. So hopefully we'll pick up an object, black object here, yes. So now let's see what happens at the yellow. So we're detecting yellow and then we say we can turning away from the yellow. Now as this shows, our way for currently avoiding the trap will work in most cases, but here we're getting stuck. So perhaps have a look at how you could improve your action so you move away from the yellow area better.